welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to DIY Fashion and Beauty 05. Welcome back again. Yeah, today's tutorial is all about my Auto-Gele fan. You guys asked me to do this and I'm sorry because you've been requested for this video for a very long time. I'm sorry that I didn't do it for you all this while. I'm so sorry. Now he's here. Now Auto-Gele fan is here. As you can see, guys, you see, wow, it looks so beautiful. Yes, guys, let's get started with this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and press that bell, the bell, so that whenever I upload my video, it's going to give you a notification that I have uploaded my video. I'm on Instagram at DIY Fashion and Beauty 05. I'm on Facebook at DIY Fashion and Beauty 05. You can like my page on Facebook at DIY Fashion and Beauty 05. Thank you so much for joining me, guys, today. Let's stay tuned and watch this tutorial. To start with your Auto-Gele, these are the things you're going to need. Auto-Gele fan, these are the things you're going to need. I use my sego gele. That's the sego gele that I use. I use sego gele, then I use my pin. You're going to need your pin. You're going to need scissors. I use scissors there. The scissors I use in this video is a zigzag scissors. But if you don't have zigzag scissors, you can use the other one. That's why I'm showing you the two scissors that I use. So you can use the other scissors, the normal one, and you're going to need your tape rule and your pen. So to start with it, I'm going to measure my sego gele. This sego gele is very long. It's 90 inches length, you know. It's 90 inches length. It's 19 inches length, and the wide is 18 inches. It's 18 inches wide. So what I'm going to do, I measure 20 inches there. I measure 20 inches length, and the wide is still 18 inches, which is okay for me. So I just measure 20 inch out there like that. You can see the way I'm measuring it. I measure 20 inches out like that. Then I use my zigzag scissors to cut it out. If you don't have zigzag scissors, use whatever you have. So I fold the rest of the sego gele into two because it's 18, you know, it's 18 inches. So that is going to be 9. And I use my zigzag scissors to cut it out. I just split it into two, just like that. So if you are using Auto-Gele, one dasa is okay for you to do the top. You understand? If you are using Auto-Gele, one dasa is okay for you. Even if the dasa is not up to 9 inch, you can still use it, you know. So this is what I'm going to start. So I'm going to start with the one that I cut 20 inches and 18 inches wide. I'm going to fold it like that. You can see. I'll just fold it in like that to secure the edge of the sego gele. So I'm going to fold it in like that. It's like ½ inch. That's an ½ inch. I'm going to fold it in like that, and I will pin it around like that. So that one, I'm going to use my sewing machine to secure that. So after doing that, I'm going to create my pleats. I create just 4 pleats with this. I create just 4 pleats. I'm going to create my pleats like that. So you can see, I'll just go straight like that and create 4 pleats. We don't need too much pleats in this Auto-Gele fan. So I just create down my pleats like that, straight down. Then I create 4 pleats with the one with the first one making 4, 3 more with making 4. So that's why I created. So this is it. You see, I just pin it down like that. I create 4 pleats and I pin it down like that. That's just what I just need to do. I just pin it down just like that. So continue pinning it down, just a machine to secure the pleats like that. I'm going to sew it. You see, I take the pin off and I sew it straight down like that. So I'm going to do that for 4 of them, for 4 of the pleats. Then I'll show you. You see, that's the second pleat. You see the second pleat like that. So I'm going to sew that like that. You see, I don't want it to show. You don't want the sewing to show, so you know how you should sew it, and the sewing is not going to show. So you just make sure you sew it, then the next one covers the, and that's what I've come up with, guys. You see, that's what I've come up with. It's just 4 pleats. That's what. Then I attach my velcro on the both side. I attach my velcro on the side. Then I start with the plates. That is the long one. This one, the length is 70 inches. After taking 20 inches off, the length is 70 inches and the wideness is 9 inch. So I fold it like triangle, just like that, guys. You can see I fold it like triangle, and I continue folding it like that, and I'm pinning it down. You guys. I fold it like triangle and I continue pleating it like that. You see the way I'm pleating it? Just look at the way I'm pleating it. You can see I place it down like that and I pin it. I pin it. This is the main fan that I'm creating here. So when you get to the edge of the fabric, as you can see, the one that you fold the last time, the one that you fold last, you make sure the next one that you're going to fold covers it. You see the edge there, you make sure the next one covers it because we don't want that to show. So that is what I'm trying to show you there. As you can see, you make sure the next one cover it. Yeah, you make sure the next one cover it and you start creating the pleats like that. You see the next one, you did the last one, you make sure the next one cover it down, just down. Yeah, that's it. That's what you're gonna do. So you continue placing your, you continue creating your pleats like that. As you can see, guys, the way I'm doing it, you see the last one, I make sure the next one cover the last one. So I continue creating my pleats like that, and I'm going to continue with my pleats. I don't count the pleats. I don't know how many pleats I pleat. I just pleat it. So you don't have to count it, that how many pleats you have there. No, you don't need to. Just do what you, just do it. Just do it. So I continue pleating it like that. You can see the last one is showing on the edge here, and I make sure I cover it up. You see, I'm going to cover it like that. I'm going to cover it like that, you see, to cover the last one because we don't want that to show. So that's why you just continue creating there. You continue creating the pleats like that. You can see that one is showing. So I'd have to take it off and make sure I cover it. I don't want it to show. So that's what I'll do. Then I'll continue pleating like that. I'll continue pleating like that. So this is just what you're going to do. This method is very, very simple. This is the method I can come up with. This is the method I can create. And it really turns out so well. So that's it. You continue pleating. As you can see, continue pleating. You can see the shape is coming out. The shape is coming out. Continue pleating like that till you get to the end. And that's it. And that's it, guys. See what I've come up with. Yeah, that's it. That's what we need. So the next thing I'm going to do now, after creating my Velcro, so I'm just going to put that on the side. So I'm going to join it. I'm going to join it. I'm going to start joining it. You know the pleats, what happened is that I'm going to stitch the pleats down. I'll start stitching the pleats down, and I'll show you how I'm going to stitch it down. So what you're going to do, you take off your pin, you know, you sego gele, the pleats will remain there. You take off your pleats, your pin, I mean, so then you start sewing. You see, you start sewing. The sewing shouldn't be more than 3 inches length. You start sewing. That's what you have to do there. You just put it on the sewing machine. You sew the pleats one by one because we want the pleats to stay in place. Just the edge like that, just halfway. Yeah, you just sew the pleats halfway, and I will do that one by one, line by line, and I'll make sure it's very in because we don't want it to show. You want the pleat to cover it the same way we do the first one, the base of it, the base of this gele, the same way we do it. That's the same way we're gonna do to sew the pleats as well. So you make sure the pleats, you just fold it. You see the folding is still there, and you make sure the edge is not coming out the way I pin it. So you just see, you see the way it is now, and I'm going to sew it there like that, and I'll continue sewing the rest like that. That's how I'm going to do it. So you just sew it like that to secure the pleats, because we don't want the pleats to move. We want them to stay in place. So that's the main reason why you need to sew it down, so that the pleat is not going to move. So you continue doing that. I'm doing that. I'm showing you one by one how I'm doing the pleats. You see guys, yeah, that's the first one. So continue like that. You see it's not showing because I use the color of the sego gele to sew it, and I make sure I sew it in. You see, I sew it in. The pleats is gonna, you see, I sew it in like that. So you just continue doing that. You place it on your sewing machine. Halfway is okay, like 3 inches length is enough. You don't have to go more than that. You don't have to go more than that. So that's what you just need, just to secure it because you don't want the sewing to show. So you just continue doing that. I'll continue doing that till I get to the end of it. I'll just continue like that. Just take your pin off, sew it down, then that's it. I'll continue till I finish. So I'll continue like that. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Sew it there, sew it there, sew it there. So I'll continue. Then I'll show you the finishing. I'm going to show you the finishing look. So I'm at the last stage now. You see, I'm at the last stage now, and I use my sewing machine. That's the way I sew there. Just sew it down like that at the end of the edge. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to attach it. That's the finishing look. So I'm going to attach it with the base. So I'll fold it into two first to know where the middle is. Yeah, I fold it like that into two to know where the middle is. That's the middle. I put my hand there, and I fold the base as well into two to know where the middle is. Then I place it on it. So I'm going to use it to cover the last sewing on the base. The last sewing on the base. I'm going to make sure I cover the sewing. I don't want it to show. So the same way I sew it the last time, that's the way I'm going to pin it. I'll just open it up and pin it down. I'm not going to sew it round. I'm not just going to sew it round. I'll just open it up and pin it down. You see the way I open it up? That's the way I'm going to sew it down. So I'm just going to sew it like in 8 places, and that's it. I'm not going to sew it round because you can't sew it round. The sewing is going to show. So I'll pin it down like that. You see the way I'm pinning it down? Yeah. And I'll pin the other side as well. I'll pin the other side down as well. So I'll pin it down like that. You see, fold it in here and pin it down. You see. So I'm going to start showing you how I'm going to sew it now. So what I'm going to do is that I will just open up the pleats like that, and I'll sew it like 2 inches length. I'll just open it like that, and I'll sew it, and the pleats will cover it. I will open it like that, and I'll sew it inside like that because you don't want the sewings to show. And I'll sew it like in 8 places like that. Yeah, and I'll sew it. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'll come back and show you the finishing look. I can't sew it round so that everything is going to be neat. So I've done that, and that's the finishing look. I take the one on top and I fold it in and tack it. If you don't want to do that, you can leave it. When you want to tie it, you can tuck it in. So but I do that, and this is the finishing look, guys. This is the finishing look. It looks so beautiful, you can see. So I'm going to show you how to wear it now. So what you're going to do, and this is the remaining out of that half sego. I've got a leftover. As you can see, that's the leftover. That's leftover. You see, this DIY doesn't take a lot of sego-gele. I don't even finish one sego-gele. So you see, so you're just gonna put it on your head like that. You put it on your head like that. Then you just use your Velcro to hold it tight. You use your Velcro, yeah, to tighten it like that. Yeah, you just use your Velcro to pull it the way you want, how tight you want it. Then you just like that. That's it, to tighten it like that. Then I'm going to use the stripe, the hand to like the leftover there to tie it. If your own sego-gele is not up to 90 inches that I use, so that means you're going to create a stripe at the back. That means you're going to create a stripe at the back, so you don't have anything to worry about. You just create a stripe. It's still going to look so nice, because the first one I used to try this tutorial out is not up to 90 inches, so I use a strap there. And that's the finishing look, guys. It looks so nice. It looks so nice, you can see, guys. So you just use your hand to adjust it, and that's it. That's it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, share my video with family and friend. Leave a comment for me. Let me know what you feel about this video. Leave a comment for me. Give me a huge thumbs up if you enjoy my video, and catch you up, guys, in my next video. Catch you up in my next video. Thank you.